2580 car.
That car is acting like a cab car.
That's a non-powered control unit.
Exactly.
2500. Oh.
There were some bike riders on the tracks.
2530. I've never been this. 710. 545.60. 58108. 545.67. Wow, that was like a 351. Goes all the way south to City before we move over there. Not too away. Woo! We're a nice surfliner. Or typical surfliner. And 72 shoving that. Woo-hoo! Ooh, sorry for the camera angle aiming in the wrong direction. Not too away 72. That was the same set as 572 that we saw earlier. We found the great fit car. And the engine is not squealing in that. And the engine is 457. Train number 572 into San Juan Capistrano. And I wonder what engine will be leading this train. Oh well, I guess we'll just find out when this train arrives then. Anyways, let's see where it is. I wonder where it is. Oh, I see a light. Here it is. Oh, great. You're not going to like this train. I don't know. You'll not mind seeing it, but you'll not want to ride on it. It looks like 460. Oh, yep, it is. It looks like 9208's on the end. San Juan Capistrano right now. Notice it's the Anthony train. It's not a P42DC this time. This is an F59 PHI. This is 460. There are lots of characters on this train. They got a toy bring up the rear. We're going to be taking the train down to LA. If you notice, there's Amtrak non-powered control unit number 90208.
Here it goes.
That's our train.
Ampletes.
You know, my mom doesn't like the ampletes because on Friday they're crowded.
Yeah, to LA. You gotta go down there. Oh.
90208.
Where is the train?
Right. I'll say bye. There's the person staying close to track. Wow! 42, the veterans unit. That's a toy. What's this? Yay! Whoa! 145! Build that up! 145! Dude, let's fire up the GE back there. They're firing it up. That'll throw away 156! Oh my gosh, it's coming fast. This is an Amtrak. I think it has the amphitheaters. Here it is. Here it is. This train is running a half hour behind schedule due to tomorrow, because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Holy cow, that thing